Hey there friends, I'm back again with a new video. In this video, I will teach you about Sketch and its importance to content marketing. So what is Sketch? Sketch is a vector design toolkit that allows you to create user interfaces, web pages, icons, and other digital content. It is a popular tool for designers and developers, but it can also be used by content marketers to create visually appealing and engaging content. How can content marketers use Sketch? Sketch can be used to create a variety of content marketing materials, including blog posts. You can use it to create visually appealing and informative blog posts that will capture the attention of your readers. Next is Sketch is a great tool for creating infographics, which are a visually appealing way to present complex information in a way that is easy to understand. You can also use Sketch to create visually appealing and engaging ebooks that your readers will love. And Sketch can be used to create visually appealing and engaging social media posts that will help you to connect with your target audience. Sketch can also be used to create visually appealing and engaging email newsletters that your subscribers will love to open and read. And lastly, landing pages. You can create visually appealing and effective landing pages that will help you to generate leads and sales. Visual content is essential for content marketing. People are more likely to engage with content that is visually appealing and easy to understand. Sketch can help you to create visually appealing and engaging content that will capture the attention of your target audience. In addition, Sketch makes it easy to create consistent branding across all of your content marketing materials. This is important because it will help your audience to recognize and remember your brand. Overall, Sketch is a powerful tool that can help content marketers to create visually appealing and engaging content that will capture the attention of their target audience. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching Sketch, your content marketing ally. See you in my next video.